Man who fled prison sentence 20 years ago, recaptured in Jamaica and returned to Miami. People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. A man who was found guilty of fleeing after causing a fatal crash has been jailed in Miami after he fled the country to escape his sentence more than 20 years ago. Christopher Harvey was arrested on January 31st, 1999 after fleeing the scene following a car crash that killed 3 people. Darlene Bueno, Becky Ballestas Marquez, and Maria Arandans, ages 24, 37, and 24, respectively, had been returning home from a gathering after midnight. Harvey was traveling westbound at an estimated speed of 70 miles per hour on Northwest 199th Street when he failed to stop at a red light and cross Northwest 37th Ave. He collided with the woman's car, which was traveling southbound on Northwest 37th Avenue. The 3 women did not survive their injuries. Harvey fled the scene and did not attempt to call for help for the victims. He was found guilty by criminal court and sentenced to more than 12 years in prison. He was given until June 1st, 2000 to get his affairs in order and turn himself in to serve his sentence. He instead fled the country. In 2007, authorities received a tip that he was in Cuba, but extradition was not possible. In 2019, he was located in Jamaica and taken into custody by Jamaican authorities. They returned him to Miami, where he is now serving his sentence. Thanks to the resolute efforts and commitment of my prosecutors and staff in the extradition section of my legal unit and the commitment of the U.S. Marshals Service Fugitive Task Force, the Department of Justice Office of International Affairs, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Jamaica Fugitive Apprehension Team, and Homeland Security Investigation, Christopher Harvey now sees justice he so long sought to avoid, said State Attorney Catherine Fernandez Rundle. Today is certainly a day these victims' family have long waited to see. Why? What goes around comes around, people. Like how you can run, but you cannot hide, me I tell you. People, you have to remember, whatever you do in life, it comes a point when it'll catch up to you when you least expect it. You see me? If you do the crime, serve the time. If he run the red light, he was drinking, drunk, or whatever, brother, that's the action you choose. And that was your responsibility. If you know, say you're not supposed to drink and drive, run red light, now you kill 3 people. And on top of that, you never take responsibility for your action, people. And see, them catch him, now him have to go serve him sentence. And I don't know how old he is right now, but he might go do some time. You see me, people? Long run, short catch, them say. Yeah, man. So he's been locked up in Miami now, where he's actually serving his sentence, people. Wish him all the best, because, you know, a long time this family are grieve, and now them actually can sleep good at night knowing that the person who killed them loved one is behind bars, people. Because trust me, people, no matter where them come from, no matter Jamaica, wherever, just put yourself in the victim's shoes, the family members. Put yourself in their position and just imagine how you would feel knowing that you lost 3 loved ones and the person who committed the crime is not behind bars. Years them people are probably a suffer and a wish and a hope and a pray for a day like this. And the day came, people. So he's been locked up and he will serve his time, people. And once I get more information on this, I will let you guys know, alright? Much love and appreciation from YaadAndAbroadTV. Bless up in yourself, people. Big up.